old school cool. Day 4. If you've seen my video, 2008 World's Brightest Flashlight versus 2024 Brightest Flashlight, you're going to want to see this. That video showed what was known as a Mag 623. I built that one in a 5D cell Maglite, but a more true-to-life version would be this. A triple board 2D cell body. It allows use of 12 of these 2/3 A cells to provide the needed 14 volts of power. This overdrives the 100-watt bulb. Which is pretty remarkable considering a standard 2D Maglite was pushing about 3 watts. There were many variations of this light, including this exquisite build by the legend Fivemega. Admittedly, there's not a component here that is manufactured by Maglite, but all of the parts, including the 3-inch head and the 10-amp tail cap, are compatible with Maglite. Back in 2008, I was one of the poor kids, so I never had one of these lights until now. Okay, Steph, whenever you're ready, babe.
I'll be ready to look at the stuff on the bridge. Okay.
Alright, go. Boy, that 3-inch head really adds some range. Oh, I see. Go back. I see what you're saying. The reflection off the water. That's pretty cool. Whoa, stop. Okay, move it back and forth some. It looks like the bridge is liquid. I mean, it looks like the bridge is made of water. Wow. Okay, now switch to the big light.
Ready?
Yep, go ahead. Wow. Wow. The bridge, it looks white like snow. Oh my gosh. That is so wicked. For fun, I thought we'd compare these directly. The small head Mag 623, the large 3-inch Fivemega 623, then world's old brightest flashlight, that's Imalent SR32, world's new brightest flashlight, Imalent MS32. Okay, first at bat is the standard Mag 623. So that's with the little head. Now here's the FM 623 with the big 3-inch head. Booyah! Wow. I'm so impressed at how much more throw I get from that. all the way to the tree line, man. Pretty easily, really. Now we'll do world's old brightest flashlight. That's the 2023 version. Now we'll do the world's new brightest flashlight. That's man, that's ridiculous.
Lumencraft rocks.
The low modes on this light are superb for collecting ticks and chiggers in the tall grass. Best light I own for it. I want you to notice how teeny tiny I am in this picture. I'm like 3 millimeters tall on a computer screen. How tall is that on your phone screen? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, buy things from my website, lumencraft.com. Thanks, see you guys next time.